3, 2, 1, go. And we're live. This is Retraice segment number 93 for Saturday, December 24th, 2022. Merry Christmas Eve, if you celebrate. 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Pacific. We're going in the afternoons. Yeah, we're going in the afternoons. It's the holidays, man. I won't be doing this at 11 o'clock. How am I supposed to get down? How am I supposed to party? You didn't think about that? What are we doing? Are we still on this best first search? You're damn right we are. Every time I ask myself a rhetorical question during best first search, I answer it with "you're damn right," and that's going to continue. All right. So, oh gosh, Retraice is about what's going on out there. The short answer to that is computer control. Long answer to that is natural, artificial, and strategic intelligence. I'm not quite at the what's the auction here. I'll get there. Hypotheses 1 to 11. Okay, so no boilerplate for you. We're deep in the weeds here. You get no boilerplate. I'm not going to give you any of the references. You got to listen to like some other segment. I didn't do it on the first one, but I started doing it during this series. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Mathematical disclaimer, I should not be your programmer. Programming disclaimer, I should not be your mathematician. No amendments, no corrections. Let us just get down to business. Okay. This chair is so much more comfortable than the one I was sitting in yesterday. I don't know why. It's just over there. I wasn't like actually in a different place, but I used the crappy chair. But it was like a smaller desk. Did you want to know about that? Okay. So let's see here. So what I was going to do, and it didn't work out, but what I was going to do, so we're working on best first search function. We can make sense of the first line of it and then not the second, or at least with the behavior that we get starts to mystify us at the second line. Because, well, I guess I should just show it. Okay, so let's just load this whole, not that one, 93. So we're just loading our whole source. This, if you're not familiar, this is the same file, just looking at it through two different windows. And while I'm over here, I'm going to grab this. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I wanted all that. I wanted to paste all that into IPython to break it. Okay, so we're going to load our file into IPython down here, so that we have all the source loaded except the thing that we're going to fiddle with, or except the last thing. We don't, okay, so anyway, there. It takes a minute because there's a bunch of imports. Okay, and then we're going to run our best first search function on our two arguments, our T problem, our test problem, and our F of, our what's that called again? Evaluation function, F, which is just a toy. Everything's a toy in this little implementation right now because we just want to understand the toys first. We're playing Legos here, okay? We're not playing architecture. We're not playing I was trying to remember the guy's name. Who's the main is it John Galt? Is he the one who's in, or is that Atlas Shrugged? I'm thinking of the Fountainhead. Who's the guy? Anyway, I was thinking about that. Interesting book, but it's also hard to read. Like it's so what it is. All right. What are we talking about? All right. So yeah, these are toy problems, not big architecture projects. And so we have a toy evaluation function, right? I bet you always just want me to hit return when I'm yapping. Too bad. I'm in control. Here we go. Bang. Da is our what is supposed to be our solution, but that can't be our solution. At least not that string. Less than, data, greater than, cannot be our solution because it doesn't tell us how it got from A to dada. We need that information. Now, I'm not saying that we don't have a solution here in memory. I'm just saying I can't, that particular output does not inspire confidence. However, it also is not an error, which, again, I still feel the excitement from a couple of days ago when this happened. Now, let's find out why the hell it happened. What I was going to do, I thought maybe like the Python debugger might help me. Debuggers. I have used debuggers. I think I've used the GNU debugger when I was like parsing hex when I was doing like the early Retraice scripts. But I don't really. I certainly didn't learn it very well, and I don't remember if it even solved my problem. But I think I did it once or twice. But I really don't understand debuggers. So I don't understand GNU debugger. I don't understand Python debugger. Tried to make it work on the basis of this. And I just couldn't make it tell me anything interesting. Like I could make it work, but I couldn't make it. But these are the things I should have looked at, these methods or these attributes or these methods, they take arguments. The module defines the following functions. Each enters the debugger. Yeah, they're functions because we're not in an object. Man, learn your lingo, bro. Learn it. But anyway, I'm not gonna like learn a debugger while you wait. So there's another thing that I was gonna try, which is just to mess around with f. So let's change f and see what happens. Define f, yes, takes a t value. What does it do with it? Let's just return something else. Let's return a string. Whoops. Return. I don't know if this is going to just do what I want, but I have not done this. This is just my latest idea. Now let's try. No, it doesn't affect it. I mean, maybe I need to reset it. I don't know. Let's try that. Nothing done. Yes. Okay, now load and reload. Great albums. What do we do next? The best first search, right? Okay. Damn it, I didn't. I just repeated myself. Reset. Okay. We have to. Yes. Oh, just do it. You know what I want. Come on, ChatGPT would know what I want. All right. I want to do this. And I want to do this. I mean, this is too much. I should just be doing this in IPython. And the indentation is wrong. Now the indentation is right. So right. Now, are we clear? Are we clear here? Jeez. Load. Reload. Now, what do we do again? Oh, yeah. Best first search on the problem. No, it does nothing. How could it do nothing? Well, that's the... Okay, so what did we... Okay, we gotta go to retrace notes here. Oops. That. And what did we do to get that nice little pair that seemed so promising? Frontier.items, although I walked this through outside of the function, so that's not going to work unless we do it again. But I'm just, what I'm thinking is that there's something that I'm doing so the frontier.items is supposed to return pairs. No. Maybe? Yes, these score item pairs. Okay? We're in a priority queue. Whoops. I gotta do that. Oh no. I'm freaking out. Okay. So we're in a priority queue. So we've passed a problem, a toy problem, RT problem, to best first search. We've given it a function that we seem to be having no effect on the output, which is actually good because it means we're doing it wrong, and it's actually, no, it's not good. I was hoping we were going to get an FU there, but we kind of did get an FU, just not the string FU. Okay, so then we I would have liked that joke if I had heard it from someone else. I hope you do. Node is set equal to, a node is an instantiation of the node class, which just takes the argument of the initial state of our problem, okay? And the initial state of our problem is just a string. So it takes that string and turns it into a node, class node, and does all this stuff with it. It takes a state, and the minimum is the state. That's what we're giving it, which is A, the initial. Parent is set default to none, action default to none, because if it's the first state, it's not going to have a parent or action, and path cost is defaulting to 0. Updates a dictionary and makes a representation of itself. We should come back to that. Why can't we? Oh, is that the thing that? Well, there was something. This is something that we should. Okay, and then the length of it, I think, becomes interesting at some point. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. Anyway, nothing really crazy happens to it in the instantiation of a node. Okay, so we just have that initial state that now has, parent none, action none. But if it's supposed to be, okay, so if it's supposed to be pairs, if it's supposed to be score item pairs, and I'm going to do that all night, all afternoon, and we're giving it a state, and that's it. There's no score in our initial state because the parent, the action is set to the path cost would be our score, right? I'm really fuzzy on the score. What that's gonna how the implementation is gonna lead to that. Item seems correct. You know, we're just getting back A when we do. I'm talking about not what you're seeing on screen. I'm talking about this here. When we did this, I can't highlight. This is a PNG. When we did frontier.items, we got that. But frontier.items is from best. It's from here. So we walked through. We set node. Let's just do it. Okay, so we've defined our problem. So if I just change that to T problem, we should be able to just reproduce that frontier.items. Okay, so oh, geez, no, just K and so. Bang. Nothing? Oh, no, that's correct. We're in IPython. Let's just type the thing we want. Yeah, so node is A. Okay, there's nothing else to it. And then if we do frontier, let's do, does it, doesn't autocomplete? When did I do this? What system did I do this on? Okay, so let's do this. Set the key equal to F. F is defined down here in IPython, so shouldn't have any issues. We've already instantiated a node or created an object. Instantiated a node, yeah. Named lowercase node. It's a priority key. So we're saying frontier is we're basically doing the best first search function step by step here. Bang. Now frontier dot items. Oh no, F you. I'm glad I did it that way. Okay. I was not expecting that, and I love it. Okay, so frontier.items. Okay, so if we do best first search and do our normal problem, we get data back. We're still returning the same output when we try and run, but when we're inside of best first search, when we are here, before best first search starts searching, the items are the initial state we gave it, which is here, node, and it's just A. It's not a string. I don't know. I worry that about this. Like I don't really know what it means when we're in less than greater than things. I'm comfortable when I see single ticks. Like, surrounding the FU, that we're dealing with a string, and then these square brackets mean we're dealing with a list, which is an ordered set, and then these parentheses mean we're dealing with a tuple. So this is like a very short list of tuples with a string, and what is the? I gotta just Google this. I can't not know this. This is stuff. Python meaning. What does less than greater than mean in Python? It means not equal to. It was taken from ABC Python predecessors here. Oh, no. I want something in between it. Oh, darn it. I hit my microphone. No, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant, people. Stuff. Okay, let's just see. I wish I could do regular expressions. Oh, can I? Wait a second. I've got no. I don't want a holiday sale. No. I have Vimium. Can I do regular expressions here? Let's see. I want to search for that. Not a good sign. Maybe I have to. No. Maybe it's in the let's do this. That, maybe I have to escape that one out. Can you see what I'm doing in the lower? Oh, wait, does this work? No, down here. That, no, it doesn't work. Oh, my little button doesn't work. Okay, what am I doing here? No, can't previous. No, okay. So this dot, look in the lower right corner. I can't point to it any better than with my words. I'm trying to do a regular expression to find anything on this page that has what I'm looking for, but I might have to escape. Ooh, what happened there? No, that was, just forgot my thing. If you don't know regular expressions, they're awesome, and I've used the crap out of them. Okay, I'm gonna give up here. Oh, maybe if I put this in quotes. You get used to things in Emacs, and then you become a moron in the real world. It's not so Emacsy. All right, how do Python objects do stuff? Yeah, that's what I wanted. Data types. No. Example, please. No. Stupid. Oh, I read an article today. Actually, I didn't. Did I read the whole thing? I think it was in the New York Times about how ChatGPT could, that sort of generative pre-trained transformer model, these generative things that ChatGPT is currently the coolest of, are a real threat to traditional search engines. I don't know if I agree with, I don't know if I believe it or if I think that that's a good analysis, but I thought that was interesting because we're using the heck out of Google here right now, and pretty soon we might just be saying no ChatGPT. No, you can't call it ChatGPT. We need to rename it. And never mind, we're getting off track here. All right, I don't know what the thing means. But I need to know. Well, I can't. I mean, A is my data, but what is that? What is that? What is that? What is? See, if I could just, if I could just use regular expressions in Google, maybe you can. I just don't know how. I mean, no. Okay, last thing, and then I'll shut up about this. I'm just, hoping. No, I got excited for a second. No. Like, I know everybody knows it means less than or greater than by itself, but I don't know what it means. I don't know. Like when you're writing code examples and stuff, on Stack Exchange or whatever, it means you're inserting some data. It's like a in literature it does what the square brackets do. I don't know. Can I? Well, maybe I can fiddle with it later. So let's go back to ideas. Oh, I totally lost my train of thought now. Well, first of all, let's get this. Let's get this recorded in case we forget about it. And get some space there. I knew I was going to. Okay, so frontier.items has that, and we are going to go back to what? No, not class node. Is that the best place for us to be? No, priority queue. Okay. Okay. So we're here. Actually, I should just do that. Okay, so we're looking at the frontier priority queue. It's taking the node. Oh, I could change that. I could change the way it takes the node. Oh, that's what I'll do. Okay, so let's do frontier. No. Yes. Let's see if we don't. I mean, it's just going to take it now as an object, which is going to be the initial state. Does it turn it into a string? Node object is not iterable. Ah, yeah, that's why it has to be a list. So if I turn it into, what else can we do? Let's turn it into, this is going to throw an error. No. Okay. Now what happens when we do frontier.items? See, the A looks the same. What if we do, I don't know, a one tuple? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just fiddling. Node object is not iterable. You know, tuple's not iterable. What else? Anything else? str version of, no, this is going to mess everything up. No. Wow. The string version. Yeah, you see that? Whoops. That makes sense to me. Oh, jeez. So if you turn node, the content of node, which is, it's an instantiation of the object of node, which is just, so the instantiating a node turns it into that like less than a greater than representation. Oops. And that happens here. It's taking your argument of a state, and the state we gave it was what now? Oh, geez. What's the easiest way to do this? Oh, so we gave it node. No. Oh, we did it in the file anyway. No. We did it in the file. So where did we do it in the file? Okay, we're gonna do a master class right now. Whoops. No, that's not what I wanted. Bang. Yes, okay. And bang. And where am I going now? T-Pain. He helps me find everything. T-Pain. Okay. Now, when we instantiated, it wasn't even in the file. I did all that for nothing. But this is okay because this is going to help us do Windows and stuff. When we instantiated the node, so our problem, we got to go back to the problem. All right, so let's just keep splitting the window until everyone goes crazy. How about, oh no, I did the wrong one. Oh no, I still have slickness. I still have the slickness. There, that's good enough. Okay, so, see, it's too much to keep in my mind. Class problem. Gave it a problem. It takes, the first argument is the initial state defaults to none. But what happens to initial other than getting in the dictionary? It's just what? It's just an attribute. It's just a string. So yeah, oh, okay. So we're doing this. When we define our problem, we're giving it a string. We are definitely there giving passing that string A to we are passing it to a route problem, which is this. Oh, nothing happens there, of course. Class prob. That's getting set to initial. What happens to initial? Initial. There, nothing. It gets. Yeah, if we represent it as a string, we did that. No, we didn't. We didn't print the goal or the problem as a string. We printed. What did we print as a string? The node down here. There, we printed that as a string. So anyway, it broke it out into. It iterated. That's interesting. Each one of these. Oops. Each one of these FUs. Oh, we got to highlight FU. Just because it's fun. Each one of these FUs, okay, got produced, or like the frontier, because we passed it the string version of node, okay, the string version of node, it iterated through that string version, okay. These two are, well, between those two, and then between these two, the A, the less than sign, the A, and then the greater than sign. And for each iteration of node, it assigned the FU as the cost. That's what it did. Isn't that what it did? What did it do? It did that. That's useless to me. That might be useful to me. This, where do I want to be here? I don't know. No. Okay, and so best, and so PriorityQueue. Yeah, that's where we want to be over here. Look at that, perfect. This is the whole thing we're stuck on right now. It's like, what is this initialization method doing? So we passed it a string, not just the represent. Oh, what's the representation of a node? Okay. Okay. I promise nothing. Ugh. We are going to. Okay, so what's the representation of a node? Class, no, node, and is that already open? No, it's not open somewhere. Okay, we're running out of time here, but this is, I feel good. Okay, so the representation is this. Return, oh shit, look. Wait, look, don't look at me. Look, ugh. Here. No. There. Look at that. Remind you of anything? Look at it. It's putting, when it's representing, when you instantiate a node, it is taking what you give it and putting it between these braces, but it's return when you call the representation of that node, call the magic method repr on, it's representation of that node. It's going to return the self.state pumped into these braces between the greater than less than signs. That's why the A is between the Pac-Man, because we told it to do that. Shall we test it? I can't use any special characters because that'll just mess with our tests. Booyah. Okay. Now we have to do what? Reset. Yes. Load. Yes. And then what else do we do? Damn it, this is too much. It's okay. No, I don't know. No, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. We want to go up our own way. So we did. Okay, we did. Yeah, we did. I probably copied this into the notes, didn't I? We did the node thing, then we did node. Wait, node. Well, we'll copy this. I know you did what I told you, but okay. No, you're all right. Okay, I'll do that. That's the only hard one to remember. Now node. Booyah! It worked. I mean, I wasn't worried, but it's still okay. Oh wait, now I gotta save that for the notes. Okay, we're leaving it there. Merry Christmas. I gotta go. I got commitments. We're at 30 minutes. This has been Retrace segment number 93 for December 24th. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, kiddos. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, you should have your whole town or city or rural area to yourself. I used to love that. When I was between living with my family, you know, my nuclear family, my people who raised me, because you didn't know what I meant by family, but and then having my own family, that period of time where you didn't have to necessarily be anywhere, and on holidays, you know, I feel like the people who do not celebrate Christmas and things like that, aren't you having a blast having the whole place to yourself? I was, but I was a night owl, so maybe that was part of it. Same time tomorrow, we're going to do 4 o'clock Christmas tomorrow, and then maybe through the whole holiday week through to New Year's. I don't know. This might end up working really well. Booyah! I'm looking at it. Booyah! Same time tomorrow, 4 p.m. Signing off.